Okay, have you been wondering about Cheer essential oil? Maybe what it's used for? I have loved using this oil, and I know you're going to too. Maybe you've been looking for a great oil that is uplifting. In this video, I'm going to share with you all about this beautiful essential oil that's part of our emotional aromatherapy kit. I'm Mandy Sommers, a certified essential oil specialist. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. About essential oil education. I have been teaching about the power of essential oils for the past 11 years, and I'm happy you landed on my page, especially for this video about Cheer. Now, if you stick around to the end, you have a chance to access my Essential Oils Made Easy class and grab my free essential oil usage guide with over 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. With a sunshiny, optimistic aroma, Doterra's Cheer can provide a boost of happiness and positivity. Everyone knows a bright disposition and a cheerful attitude can smooth over many of the bumps and challenges of life. Doterra's Cheer uplifting blend of citrus and spice essential oils provides an aromatic, cheerful boost of happiness and positivity. Its sunshiny, fresh, optimistic aroma will brighten any moment of your day. Doterra's Cheer is made up of citrus and spice essential oils, which contributes to its warm and inviting nature. The chemical design of Doterra's Cheer includes aldehydes and monoterpenes, which are known to promote uplifting feelings of positivity. Like the rest of the oils in the doTERRA emotional aromatherapy system, Doterra's Cheer was specifically and chemically constructed to help dispel negative emotions and bring light and sunshine back into dark and dreary days. So here are a few ways to use Doterra's Cheer. When tensions arise or you're feeling overwhelmed, Doterra's Cheer can really help promote uplifting and positive feelings in the environment. So why don't you try diffusing it in your classroom or in the room to promote positivity among those around you. You can also put it in your diffuser in your home to really just enjoy that fresh, warm scent that will create an inviting and happy environment. You can also use this at your desk at work when you need a little pick-me-up, maybe that mid-afternoon slump. So if you want to carry this bright smell of Doterra's Cheer around with you all day, you can experience the uplifting, happy scent of Doterra's Cheer while driving by and applying a few drops to an essential oil terracotta plate or even a cotton ball and placing that in your car. As you run errands, you can make your morning commute or even the driving the kids around just smell amazing. If you're feeling lonely, when you're feeling alone, don't let those heavy feelings weigh you down or discourage you. Simply grab your Doterra's Cheer and diffuse this in your favorite essential oil diffuser to promote those happy, bright feelings. Are you looking for a good diffuser blend that uses Doterra Cheer essential oil? You can combine 3 drops of Doterra's Cheer, 1 drop of Douglas fir, and 1 drop of wild orange to your diffuser to just have a very uplifting, invigorating blend. If you tend to feel grumpy or discouraged in the morning, try diffusing Doterra's Cheer while doing a morning yoga session or while drinking your morning tea or while reading in the morning to help really bring those feelings of optimism to start out the day. So as I said before, Doterra's Cheer essential oil is part of our emotional aromatherapy kit. If you'd like to purchase Cheer or even the entire Emotions Aromatherapy Kit, go ahead and follow the link in the description below. Now you've made it to the end, which means you have access to my free essential oil usage guide, and also you can register for my Essential Oils Made Easy class. You can do that by registering with the links below. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can continue watching at the next video.